Hi guys, so today I wanted to take a little bit of a different turn to my channel, a little bit of something different, and what we're going to be talking about today is vagina facts. Basically 10 facts that every woman, every female should know, old, young, black, white, or indifferent. Okay, so the first fact is that a vagina is a self-regulatory system, meaning a vagina produces microorganisms or bacteria that cleans the vagina, self-cleans, clean it out. Yes, fun fact, a vagina is cleaner than a person's mouth. Yes, believe it or not, it's true. So washing your vagina with soap or douching is not necessary at all. All you need is a washcloth or a rag and some warm water or any type of water, and you're good. Okay, that's the first fact. Second fact is that a vagina natural environment is at a pH of 4.5, meaning a vagina's pH is always supposed to be at 4.5, with one exception. When a woman is going through ovulation, their vagina's pH change from 4.5 and goes to like 5.5 to 5.6, a little bit further, a little bit higher depending, and this gives the vagina a more basic feel so that sperm can survive and sperms can survive and you can have the fertilization of an egg, all that. That's the only exception to the rule, is when a woman is ovulating, it switches from acidic to basic to accommodate the sperm and conception or childbearing. The next fun fact is a vagina is like a bicep. Use it or lose it. So if you're not having sex, you're not practicing Kegel exercises, you're not using toys, you're not doing any of that, the walls of your vagina are gonna get fragile, and then sex is gonna become less pleasurable and more painful. So with that being said, use it or lose it. The next fun fact is that once you're sexually active, you need to get a yearly pelvic exam done, and I can't even stress this enough. You need to get a yearly pelvic examination done every single year, including your STD and HIV checkup every 6 months. Okay, I'm talking like, do you hear what I'm saying? A pelvic exam and your STD checkup need to be done every single year. Also, if you're 21 years or older, let me say it again, if you're 21 years old or older, you need to get a yearly pap smear done. Why? Because pap smear test or look for or detect cervical cancer, and this test saves lives and it saves family members. Like, it saves life, it saves family. I can't stress this enough, especially in my African American women. Please go get it done. The next thing I want to talk about is vagina farting or queefing, as its real name. I know for women, even me, the first time I heard it, I thought it was some random BS. I thought it was weird, it was awkward, all of that. But if you're a woman, know this: queefing or vagina farts, as it's called, are totally normal. What queefing is is actually air going up into your, or being forced into your vagina, and the natural reaction to the body, because the vagina is muscles, is to squeeze that air back out, and that's what gives you that queefing or farting noise. So if you're with somebody and they make it completely awkward, and it's life, okay, it's normal. Don't go freaking out, because I know a lot of girls that freak out about that. It's normal. And if somebody makes you feel like you're irregular or it's weird, like, then you're not supposed to be being with them or sleeping with them. It's just that simple. The next thing I want to talk about is major key. Like, when I say major key, I mean like literally major key. A woman's vulva does not have anything to do with the tightness or looseness of a vagina. Get that in your head. Come on, let's go over it again. A woman's vulva, or lips, or whatever you want to call it, does not determine the looseness or tightness of a vagina. Okay, the next thing is that a vagina grows just like how a penis grows when a man is aroused. So the labia major or labium major of a woman grows when she is aroused. When she's aroused, basically. A vagina is 3 to 4 inches, give or take, depending on the woman. When a woman is aroused, it can double that size. Double that size. Like, I'm not playing. When I say double, I mean like double that size. The next thing is that vagina discharge is completely normal. It is completely normal because a vagina is self-regulatory. Like I explained in the first one, it cleans itself. So if something cleans itself, you're gonna have some side effect, some effect on the body, something. Just like how when your body is getting rid of waste, you pee, you pass feces, all of that. That's the same thing for a woman's vagina. It's cleaning out the vagina, so you're gonna get some type of discharge. So what becomes the issue is when the discharge is not normal or irregular. So regular discharge is white, colorless, and odorless. Anything out of that realm, you need to see a doctor ASAP. No questions asked, nothing. Just go, take the bus, walk, do whatever you have to, and go get yourself checked up on and make sure you're good. Like, I can't even stress this enough at all. I can't even stress this enough. And the second to last fun fact is that after sex, please go pee. When you go pee, basically, let me stop, like, go pee. When you pee after sex, you are basically cleaning out that vagina, getting rid of bacteria, anything that has gotten up in there while you've been having fun. So please go pee. It prevents UTIs. I've never had a UTI, fun fact. Yes, never had one. So after you have sexual intercourse, you go in and sit on the toilet and pee, even if you don't want to pee at the time, because this will prevent UTIs. And even though the vagina is not a dual system like a penis is, because the penis is also a reproductive system and a urinary system, when you pee, it does the same thing for a woman, basically. So go pee, okay? Please go pee. And the next thing is, your body is your temple. It is your temple. You only have one body. one body. So make sure you're always taking care of your body. You're doing everything that is right for your body, because nobody else is going to do it for you. Nobody's going to feel sorry for you if you're not doing it. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I have an Explanon in my hand and I was having issues with it. And I went to my OBGYN and she was being shadowed. And the OBGYN that was shadowing my OBGYN said to me, you know a lot about this field and you're well versed in the human body or the woman body. And I'm like, yes, I am. And she was like, many people like you don't know stuff like this. And I'm like, what the hell is that supposed to mean? So what she's trying to tell me is that black women really don't know their bodies, which I think is completely wrong and completely disrespectful. So it's my duty as a person of knowledge to impart knowledge on others. So that's all I'm doing. I think just take it in. Just take it in and do it, basically. So I'll leave you guys with those thoughts, and remember, beauty is dangerous, but intelligence is lethal. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuce.